Assalamu alaikum and very good morning class 5. I hope that you all are doing very well today. So today we will read the chapter Taking Care of Our Environment, which is on the page number 5. Environment. So what is the environment? Environment is the world around us. Do you know taking care of your environment is a very big job, and it is your job to take care of your environment. The biggest problem with our environment faced today is pollution. Do you know what is a pollution and how does it occur? Pollution means making the world dirty by adding harmful or unpleasant material to it. What do you mean by the harmful and unpleasant? Harmful and unpleasant means that material which are wrong and which are not good for our environment. There are 3 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is those which make our air dirty and polluted. Smoke from vehicle, industries, power plant and burning of trash make the air dirty. When people make the air dirty, they pollute it. Polluted air is harmful to living things. It can make people sick. Coughing and other breathing problems occur due to the polluted air. As you can see in the picture, these vehicles are emitting a very harmful smoke, and the similar smoke we inhale and we become ill. It is not only harmful for a human being, but it is also harmful for the other living organisms like plants and the animals. People also pollute water by dumping the garbage and pouring the sewage while and chemical spill into the sea, which is very harmful for the marine life like fishes and the other living organisms which live in the water. Land pollution. Land become dirty when we throw the trash into it. We should not throw the litter or any garbage on the land. Instead of throwing in the street or the roadside, we should always throw it into the dustbin. And if we don't find any dustbin, so we can keep that litter in our bag, and when we reach home we can discharge it. What can people do to reduce the pollution? People can keep the air clean by not use the car, and by using the bicycle or the bus or train, or by not burning the trash. They can also make the water clean by not dumping the garbage or the chemical into the sea, which is very harmful and dangerous for the marine life. And we can also keep our land clean by not disposing the trash into it and by throwing it into a dustbin. Do people know it is also said that dinosaurs disappeared because they couldn't survive in the changes in the environment? So if we allow our environment to change for the worse, that will be our fault and ours only. We can do something about our environment. All of us have to make sure that the earth remain a beautiful planet in which all living things can continue to live healthy for many years. Okay, so I'm signing off now. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Bye.